Ever felt that sudden prickling sensation on your skin when you're cold, scared, or even deeply moved by a piece of music? That's right, we're talking about goosebumps. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's actually happening to your body? Let's zoom in and uncover the fascinating science behind this strange phenomenon. Goosebumps are a temporary change in the texture of our skin. They appear as small, raised bumps at the base of our body hairs. The scientific term for this is piloerection. It's an involuntary reflex, meaning you can't consciously control it. So, what triggers this odd bodily response? To understand this, we need to take a trip back in time, way back to our hairy ancestors. For them, goosebumps served to very important purposes. First, when they were cold, their body hair would stand on end. This trapped a layer of air close to the skin, acting as insulation and helping them stay warm. Think of it like a natural, built-in puffy jacket. Although we modern humans don't have enough body hair for this to be effective, the reflex is still hardwired into our system. The second reason is a classic fight-or-flight response. When faced with a threat, like a predator, the same reflex would kick in. The raised hair would make our ancestors appear larger and more intimidating to potential enemies. You can still see this in action today with animals like cats or porcupines when they feel threatened. Their fur or quills stand straight up to make them look bigger and more dangerous. So how does it actually work on a microscopic level? Let's dive deep into our skin. At the base of each tiny hair follicle, there's a minuscule muscle called the arrector pili. When your body detects a trigger like a sudden drop in temperature or a jolt of fear, your sympathetic nervous system sends a signal. This signal causes these tiny arrector pili muscles to contract. When they contract, they pull the hair follicle upright, and in the process, they create a small depression on the skin surface, which makes the surrounding area protrude. And voila, you have a goosebump. It's literally thousands of tiny muscles all flexing at once. But wait, it's not just about being cold or scared. Why do we get goosebumps during moments of strong emotion? You know, when listening to a powerful song, watching a moving scene in a movie, or feeling a sense of pride. This is where it gets really interesting. These emotional triggers also activate our fight-or-flight system, but in a more nuanced way. The emotional centers of our brain are linked to the same autonomic nervous system that controls our physical responses. A surge of emotion can release adrenaline, the same hormone released when you're scared or cold. This adrenaline rush is what triggers the arrector pili muscles to contract, giving you those emotional chills. Scientists call this aesthetic chills or frisson. It's a sign that you're deeply engaged and moved by what you're experiencing. It's a physical manifestation of a powerful emotional connection. So in a way, goosebumps are a window into our evolutionary past and a testament to the powerful link between our mind and body. From a survival mechanism for our ancient ancestors to a physical response to our favorite music, goosebumps are a fascinating reminder of our biological heritage. The next time you feel that familiar prickle on your skin, you'll know exactly what's happening beneath the surface. It's just your body's ancient, tiny muscles putting on a show. I hope you found this deep dive into the world of goosebumps as cool as I did. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science explorations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.